In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track user engagement in Wix. We'll walk through where to find your engagement data and how to make sense of it so you can quickly understand what's working on your site and what needs attention. First, log into your Wix account and head to your site dashboard. This is your control center. On the left-hand side, click Analytics. This opens the core reporting area for your site. If you want a quick snapshot, choose Behavior Overview. It gives you a high-level look at how visitors interact with your pages. If you need more depth, go to All Reports, then select Behavior for detailed breakdowns and filters. Now, let's talk about the key metrics you'll see and how to use them. Average session duration tells you how long people stay. Longer sessions usually mean your content is engaging and easy to navigate. If this number is low, consider whether your pages load slowly, your copy is unclear, or visitors aren't finding what they expect. Pages per session shows how many pages someone views before leaving. Higher numbers can signal strong interest and good internal linking. If it's low, think about whether your calls to action or menus are guiding people to the next step. Bounce rate is the percentage of visitors who leave after viewing a single page. A high bounce rate may indicate a mismatch between what people expected and what they saw. Or it could simply mean that page satisfies a quick need. Compare it across pages to spot outliers. Top pages highlights where visitors spend their time, which pages get the most visits, clicks, and time on page. Use this to identify your best performers and to spot pages that deserve optimization or more internal links. Top clicks shows which buttons, links, and images get the most interaction. This requires click tracking to be enabled. It's great for understanding which calls to action resonate and which ones might be overlooked. Top navigation flows gives you a visual map of the common paths people take through your site. Look for loops or drop-off points to identify friction in your user journey. Form submissions tracks views, starts, and completions so you can see where people abandon a form. Even small improvements to labels or required fields can lift completions. Session recordings let you watch real visitor sessions and see their mouse movements and clicks. This may be a separate feature in your plan, but it's incredibly insightful for spotting confusion points. Finally, site search terms show what visitors are looking for on your site. If site search is enabled, use these queries to guide content updates and navigation tweaks. That's it. Use these reports regularly to understand behavior, test changes, and refine your site with confidence.